Why do we use step files in Solidworks? We share our models with others like customers so that the model will be safe and no one can not accidentally change anything in the model. That's why we use step files. And also a step file is a widely used file format for exchanging 3D models and CAD data between different software platforms. In Solidworks, step files are used for importing, exporting, and sharing 3D designs with other CAD systems. This is the actual model, and now look at these features like boss extruded, fillet, and hole, extruded cut. We are going to save this model as a step file. Now choose our step file format. Step files can be large, especially for complex assemblies. Step file handles both part and assembly data effectively. Maintains geometry fidelity during transfer. Go to File, select the step file, and click Open. Step files only include the geometry and do not retain SolidWorks-specific design features, for example sketches, parametric relations, extruded boss, fillet, and holes. Break the link between the original model by right-click the part and select Break Link. Recognizing features in SolidWorks refers to the process of analyzing imported geometry step files to identify and convert them into editable SolidWorks features like extrudes, cuts, holes, fillet, etc. Now right-click the imported icon, select Featureworks and select Recognize Features. Automatic recognition quickly identifies and converts all features in one step. Interactive recognition provides more control by allowing you to specify which features to recognize. Ideal for models where automatic recognition isn't effective, or only specific features need to be edited. After recognition, the features appear in the Feature Manager design tree. You can edit them as if they were created natively in SolidWorks. Limitations of feature recognition. Complex geometries, Featureworks may struggle with intricate or organic shapes. Partial recognition, some features might not be recognized or require manual adjustments. Loss of parametric data, even with recognition, parametric relationships from the original CAD design are not restored. By combining automatic tools like Featureworks with manual editing, SolidWorks users can efficiently transform imported models into fully editable designs.